Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than one wallpaper on like your wall. So for instance, you like the bottom part or the bottom half of a wallpaper and you want to combine it with another wallpaper, you can actually do that. So we're going to go to building materials first, and I am going to use the low wall first. Then I will add on the half wall. You can add more of the low walls if you want to. Just like mix and match it. So let's go to wallpapers now. So for instance, I really like the bottom half of this wallpaper and not the top. So I'm just going to place it on the low wall. And then for the rest, I can just take the wallpaper that I want. For instance, like this one. Actually, let's do the stripe one. And as you can see, I can combine it with this wallpaper and it just makes it look really cool, as you can see here. But yeah, that is it. Again, you can mix and match. You can use all low walls if you want to. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.